Now, let's schedule a lesson. From the Teacher dashboard, you can schedule a lesson using the Quick Actions section at the top. To schedule a lesson, click Schedule Lesson. The Schedule Lesson panel opens. In this panel, you can enter the lesson title and select the student. You can choose a student you've already added or create a new student directly from here. Next, select the lesson date, start time, and duration. You can then choose the lesson location, such as online, in person, the student's home, or the teacher's studio. After that, select the instrument and add any optional notes for the lesson. Once everything is filled out, click Create Lesson. After the lesson is created, it will appear in two places. It will appear on your dashboard under the Upcoming Lesson section, and it will also show on your calendar. To view or manage a lesson, go to the calendar and click on the lesson. A small Lesson Details panel opens. If you want to see more details, click View Details. The full Lesson Details panel opens, where you can edit the lesson title, date, time, duration, location, and notes. You can also reschedule, cancel, or delete the lesson from here.